Meaning of fire alarm.
Fire alarm.
Fire alarm.
Fire alarm.
Fire alarm. A fire alarm is a device designed to detect the presence of fire and alert people to its danger. It can be manually activated, such as by pulling a lever or pressing a button, or it can automatically activate when it senses smoke or high temperatures. Once activated, the alarm typically emits a loud sound, such as a siren or bell, and flashes bright lights to warn occupants of the building to evacuate immediately. Fire alarms are essential safety measures in buildings and can save lives by providing early warning of potential fires.